So guys, we're experiencing rain in Dubai for the first time. And we just got this letter through our concierge. According to weather forecast, the city is expected to experience heavy rain and wind from tonight until Monday. Close your windows, stay off the balconies, and stay safe. We better get some supplies. Okay guys, so we're gonna have to get some supplies since the rain is raining. So, currently not accepting orders. All right, let's go out then. Let's get it going. It is raining in Dubai. Listen to the sound